talking about diffs, I'm going to show you how this goes back together. Or if you bought new parts, gotta make sure you have this seal. Lay that puppy. Actually, my bad. Wrong step. We're gonna start with these spider gears. These are the ones that actually connect to your drive shafts. You're gonna put one of these spacers on, and then this rubber seal. And then that boy set you right down in there. That should seal up this back part of your differential. Should. I think that's what that goes together. Right. Okay. You got that one. You're gonna do this one. And this guy is gonna go and your diff case cover. Boop. That goes in there. Alright. Now you got these spider gears. You have your shaft. You put both the gears on facing each other. Then the spacers. Or not spacers, but washers. Shims. Whatever they're called. You gotta make sure that they stay on there. You take that, there's a groove on both sides of here that this shaft will sit into. You want to put it in like so without losing your shims. Okay. Why is this so much more difficult than I remember it being? Okay. Kind of just like drop it in there and then push. There you go. You want to get them in there like that. So now when you turn this, these guys turn fairly freely. Alright, after that, you take this guy, this seal, you put that in there. You might want to push it down with like a small screwdriver. Make sure that this seal sits up in all of its grooves. Oh boy. Because what will happen is when you go to tighten down your diff case, if this isn't sitting in here properly, it'll get all pinched. And then you'll end up with the diff leak. Which, it's not in the world, but it's not great. It means you'll continuously lose diff action. Now, here comes the part where we fill our differential. I'm trying to make sure that that's propped up. See if you can all see this. Now, you don't... the thing about filling your diff is it takes time. Depending on what fluid you use. This is what I've been using. But you're gonna find different weight fluids are gonna work for different applications. If you want to go in a straight line, I highly suggest a heavier or thicker diff fluid. Sorry. But yeah, if you're just like trying to drag race, do speed runs, I'd recommend a thicker diff fluid. But if you're just trying to drive this, bash it around, if you're actually trying to like course drive your jato, you might want to go with a lighter diff fluid. The only thing is that with lighter fluid, if one of your wheels gets stuck in a hole or you lose traction on that side, all the power is going to go to the other wheel, which is going to cause that wheel to balloon and get all big. So it's something you're going to have to mess with, changing out diff fluid until you find something you'll like. Crack this bad boy open. Squeeze this. Just like when you're filling shocks, you have to let this, you have to let all the air bubbles get out of your fluid, which is no fun. wait for, because this stuff is thick. It's not focusing very well, but you want to make sure that you try to keep your fluid in the center. I'm gonna take this, just smudge it up in there. Okay. Oh boy. Okay. Be careful, because it's grabby, which is the point. You don't want to lose your seal. Let me see if I can get this to focus. There we go. You don't want to lose your seal. Now, your diff fluid will settle down over time, and then once it's filled in the bottom of your diff case, you may have to fill it back up again, but you don't want to come past here when you fill your diff, because you can overfill your diff, and you'll just have diff fluid going everywhere. Not exactly enjoyable. Like 10, 15 minutes, I want to put my light on. You can see that the fluid has gone down. No, it's not up to the top yet, so we're gonna add some more. I gotta go to work, so it'll be late at night by the time I come and check on this now. Okay. Back. I actually ended up waiting all night because I got home and just went straight to bed. But you can see that this is level with the seal. Actually, it's a little overfilled, but it won't be terrible. It'll just squeeze out. That's why you don't want to overfill. So you just take this diff case plate, whatever it's called, line your holes up, and then you get your screws. I go around and tighten them all up slowly. I believe it is the 2 mil you will need. Yeah. So I just go corner to corner and make sure it's all in there right. See, as you get everything tighter, it squeezes out the fluid out at the sides. But yeah. Alright, now that's in there. Wipe off your excess diff fluid. Then you got bearings. Put your bearings on. Then, oh poop, how does this go? For some reason it doesn't want to sit in there. Maybe I got it backwards. Maybe I got it wrong. Yeah, I got it wrong. Okay. So your screw side faces to the left, part of your transmission. So now we can see everything working. So after your engine goes to your spur, that turns everything in your transmission, goes out to your differential. Then these will go to your drive shafts. That will be in the next video. Yeah. Have a good day. Bye.